Welcome. The Blue Foundation for a Healthy Florida, a philanthropic affiliate of Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Florida, presents the 2007 honorees of the Sapphire Award. Big Bend Cares.
I've lived with HIV/AIDS now going on somewhere between 23 and 25 years. I think that when you first find out about your diagnosis, I know for me it was, it's about the worst news I've ever gotten in my life. It can be quite earth-shattering when you first find out. And there's a lot that has to be managed.
It still is a challenge for someone to come in and say, I'm HIV positive, and they need assistance managing many other things in order to just get to the point where they're managing their HIV.
Having to find a new doctor, new labs. I was also faced with the fact that I had COBRA insurance and no way to pay for it. So I moved to Tallahassee, got set up with Big Bend Cares, and they completed the process for me to get on what's known as the AIDS Insurance Continuation Program.
In that service, we provide a very wraparound, comprehensive array of medical treatment, dental treatment, mental health, substance abuse treatment, nutritional supplements, referrals to family counseling if it's necessary, anything that will assist them in maintaining their health. And then in the other half of the agency is really the prevention and education of the general public surrounding Tallahassee. It's very rural. The stigma of HIV and AIDS is still a very real issue.
People can live very normal, long lives, but they have to maintain that regimen. And I guess the easiest way for most people to understand it is it's like having an infection and taking an antibiotic. I mean, how many people open their medicine cabinet and they have penicillin in there with 3 pills? Well, obviously they weren't able to maintain a regimen for 10 days. Imagine what it's like for the rest of your life.
There are times that the work is incredibly depressing. We have a memorial in the building for when people pass away, and the case manager will type up a memorial and we'll light a candle for that person. And those are tough days for that case manager, and to watch my other staff sort of rally around them and make sure they're okay. It makes me want to come to work every day.
I think it helps at times when I meet a client for the first time who has just been diagnosed, and I can say to them that I've been living with this successfully now for somewhere between 23 and 25 years. I'd like to believe that that gives them a certain amount, or maybe a great deal of hope for their own future.
Congratulations. You signify a new standard of community health excellence in the state of Florida.